Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check viewing history on Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. Just wait for a few seconds, and after that, go and look to Privacy and Data Settings. And you go to the second option, Viewing Activity. And as you can see here, you can look to whatever you was watching on your Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.